Advanced business economics aims to develop ability to apply the concept, tool, and technique of economics in analyzing and interpreting the business decision. Unit first, introduction, concept, nature and scope, and roles and responsibility of business economics. Principle of business economics: opportunity cost principle, of incremental principle, time perspective principle, discounting principle, equimarginal principle. Consumer analysis: traditional and modern approaches including social media influence to understand the consumer choice and preference. Law of demand and elasticity: exploring law of demand and various types of demand elasticity including price, income, cross price, advertising elasticity. Demand forecasting. Unit second, production and cost. Production function, concepts of productivity and technology. Production with one variable input, return to scale, production to two variable input, isoquadrant, ridgeline, isochines, production equilibrium, cost function, classification of cost, short term cost function, relationship between return to scale and related return to factor, long run cost function. Unit third, market structure analysis. Analyze different market structure, oligopoly, monopolistic competition and their impact on pricing and competition. Pricing analysis, analysis of pricing strategy and strategic under different market situation. Externalities, negative externalities and inefficiency, positive externalities and inefficiency. Unit 4, national income, meaning, definition, measurement of national income, concept of national income, component of national income, problem in measuring the national income, inflation and deflation, causes, consequences, control measures, analysis, causes, consequences of inflation and deflation along with policies to control them, balance of payment concept and structure of BOP, causes of disequilibrium, measures to correct disequilibrium in BOP, business cycle concept, type, phases and impact, examining the nature and dynamic of business cycle and their effect on the economic activity, open market macroeconomies. That is advanced business economics.